Hello everybody, today I'll be speaking about psoriasis. So psoriasis is a chronic skin disorder which is characterized by formation of scaly patches which begin to itch, burn, as well as they become very sore and sometimes they crack and bleed. So what are the causes of psoriasis? Since psoriasis is an autoimmune problem, the exact cause is unknown. So why the inflammation happened, what is the reason behind it will always remain uncertain. But we can definitely relate it to the genetic inheritance. So basically if parents have had it, then children are likely to develop it. Then secondly, the environmental factors are also responsible for the trigger. So the climatic change can increase the itching and the rash over the skin. Last but the most important thing is the stress. So the stress is the known maintaining cause of the psoriatic patches. So the stress causes hormonal changes because of which the problem increases and it can get to different parts of the body. So the main aim of the treatment is to limit the spread. And this can be definitely done with good homeopathic medicines. Since it is an autoimmune problem, we help in increasing the immunity. We have multiple medicines which are applicable in relieving the symptoms as well in the long run. So basically it is known that psoriasis is not completely curable, but definitely we can make it dormant, make it inactive. So we can give relief to the patient, meaning we can resolve the problem to 70 to 80%, 10-20% still persists, but we should not be aggressive with the treatment because disappearance from the surface does not mean cure. Many a times the skin eruptions are suppressed, so you make it more vulnerable for flare-ups. Constitutional treatment in homeopathy proves helpful because we take into consideration the physical makeup, the mental makeup and the genetic inheritance as well. Now what are the other things which come along with psoriasis? So what are the complications of psoriasis? It can also cause arthritis. So you must have heard about the term psoriatic arthropathy. So here the small joints are affected and they inflame, there is a lot of pain. So this is one important thing that we have to keep in mind, that we have to work upon the problem in time so that it does not spread to the joints. Secondly, we have always also seen that it spreads to the nails. So the nails get infected and also the patients are vulnerable to diabetes as well as they are prone to getting heart diseases, that is the cardiovascular complications. So basically the theme of this subject is to highlight that homeopathic medicines are helpful in treating psoriasis. The effect of the medicines are very good and people have benefited from homeopathic treatment. So whenever you come across cases where the psoriatic patches are not responding to the treatment, then homeopathy definitely offers good therapy and the results are also very beneficial.